Siemens is a 176 years old company. We have always been reinventing ourselves to transform the everyday of our customers. Touching almost every industry.
We have a big ecosystem portfolio of best-in-class solutions, but all of them were very siloed by several digital channels from Siemens. So this is why you can imagine our customers have been very confused about the big picture of what Siemens offers, but also what our ecosystem offers.
We need to have a platform combining software and hardware and services on a B2B marketplace, but there's no other company who has really done that before.
What we love about Salesforce is being a customer company. Siemens wants to achieve the same thing. The journey of B2B customer is different from the B2C. However, it's still a person we are focusing on, to have an integrated, personalized customer journey.
So when it comes to the marketplace, we were able to leverage the Salesforce capability to ensure that the customer journey is right from day one, that it's an attractive place to go for our customers. And we wanted to launch this marketplace as quickly as possible.
We are creating together with Salesforce the Siemens Xcelerator Marketplace. Our customers, now they see that they can purchase everything online very easily, helping our customers to understand, showing the big picture, and then bring it down to specific software, hardware, and personalized digital services to master their transformation faster, easier, and at scale. Einstein One Commerce Platform is the backbone of having this one landscape of data. We have now a customer centricity and customer 360.
Commerce Cloud is one of the very important components because the market demand is changing constantly. Using Salesforce off-the-shelf functionality, we were able to deliver the marketplace basically within 6 months, which normally would take you years maybe. To have a platform which is really flexible, we can also add to it and still remain competitive.
By using Einstein One Commerce with CRM plus AI plus data powered by trust, trustworthy AI, for example, is very important. This combined with the Salesforce trust layer is something where we think this is a perfect match. We now can use also AI to create meaningful product detail pages. So this was a manual effort, is now done very automatically with the AI functionalities of Einstein.
Einstein can also provide guided selling capabilities where the customer describes their challenge and find the right product to purchase it on the marketplace.
The advantage also for our partners and our sellers is that we have automated recommendations on the marketplace in order to facilitate cross and upselling. We are creating this future in order to simplify our lives, but also simplify the customer's life. Salesforce is the only one who can provide this customer centricity as we needed to have it.